The first person to prove that there was a moment when the universe was created was the astronomer Edwin Hubble. He had an enormous telescope. One day in 1929, when he was looking at the sky through the telescope, he realized that the stars were moving. That was no ordinary movement. The stars were constantly moving away from one another. A universe in which everything was moving away from everything else meant a universe that was constantly expanding. It is just like the way a balloon expands when you blow it up. The fact that the stars are constantly moving away from one another shows that they were all together at the very beginning. Do you wonder how that could be? If we could run time backwards, we would see the stars moving closer, back towards one another. That would continue until the whole universe eventually met at a single point. If we went back even further in time, even that single point would disappear. Taking that as their starting point, scientists calculated that 15 billion years ago, all the matter in the universe was concentrated in a space no bigger than a pinhead. How did that tiny point suddenly begin growing? Let's have a look.